guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a video about tandoori chicken, how to make in IFB microwave. So this video I'm going to explain full video in English, not in Tamil. So this is my first video I'm doing in English. So if I had any grammar issues, please forgive me. Now we can get into the video. You can wash the chicken. I have took 300 grams. So you can see how to wash the chicken. Now we can see what are the ingredients for tandoori chicken. Oil, curd, ginger garlic paste, 1 small lemon and kesar powder. Here garam masala mixed with chili powder and required salt. That's all. We can see how to make the tandoori chicken. And cut the chicken pieces like this. Small slices into chicken pieces. See. Now you can add the masalas and we can marinate. Ginger garlic paste, garam masala mixed with chili powder, curd, we can mix now until the masala coat into chicken pieces. Mixing this, we can add kesar powder. Coat well and squeeze of lemon juice. Now we can mix well. You can add required salt. I am adding my required salt. Now we can mix well until the masala coat into chicken pieces. You can add oil. So after adding the oil, we can mix together. It's ready. Now we can freeze it. So now we can freeze into the freezer. Friends, now chicken is well marinated. Now we can keep the chicken into the pizza plate. Now I am going to place the rack into the IFB oven. After placing it, now I am going to set the temperature. Here we have the option microwave convection, so you can click into coming up to 17. Now you can set the temperature 20 minutes. Now we can start. So friends, now 10 minutes came, we can turn into the chicken pieces now. So we can place out the rack. Now we can turn the chicken pieces. When turning the chicken pieces, be careful, it will be hot, see here. Now we can turn the chicken pieces. After turning it, place the rack into the IFB oven. So now I will place the rack into the IFB oven. Now start. Now it's 20 minutes over. We can take out the rack. Now we can place the chicken into grill rack. Now we can apply some oil into the chicken pieces. Now we can place the grill rack into the oven. Close it. And here it will be microwave plus grill. So we can press 10 minutes. So now start. We should press grill plus microwave and 10 minutes and you can give start button. So it's over. We can take out the rack and we can
serve the chicken pieces.
Friends, our tandoori is ready. You can serve this tandoori with mayonnaise or some other dips. So it's well cooked and it's also crispy. So do try this recipe at home and comment on the comment section. Thank you.